Hello students, welcome to class 8th Geography, part 1, chapter 1, Resources. Main points of the chapter: types of resources, natural resources, human resources, human-made resources, conservation of resources. Introduction. Look around. You will see many things. They are resources. Rocks, soil, natural vegetation, animals and plants, etc. And they help us to have comfortable life. Now, what is resources? There is a things that can be transformed into more valuable and useful things to fulfill human needs. For example, water that we drink, fruits that we eat, and rocks that we use to build houses, and clay that we use to make pots. There are many types of resources. They are divided into three broad categories: natural resources, human resources, human-made resources. Now, natural resources. The resources such as land, soil, water, air, sunshine, natural vegetation. Natural resources are further classified of their origin, renewability, development and distribution. On the basis of origin, resources can be classified into biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are obtained from living things such as animals, plants and microorganisms. Examples: wood, crops, medicines and milk, etc. Forests are an important source of biotic resources. Biotic resources have the capacity to reproduce. Now, abiotic resources. They are obtained from non-living things such as water, air and land. Some abiotic resources such as wind and water energy are renewable, whereas minerals are non-renewable. On the basis of renewability, resources can be classified as renewable, non-renewable resources. Renewable resources. The resources which do not get exhausted even after continuous use are called renewable resources. Example: sunlight and air. Non-renewable resources: the resources which get completely exhausted due to continuous use and take millions of years to regenerate are called non-renewable resources. Example: coal, petroleum and natural gas. They are limited and exhaustible.